What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back here into the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash that subscribe button. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install wiper blades on a Jeep Patriot of my wife's. And I've got me some awesome blades here that I've done videos on before, and I'm slowly upgrading all my vehicles too, and I'm going to show you guys right now. These blades are scrub blades. I always get the platinum ones for all of my vehicles, guys. These are some of the best blades. They're a little dirty. I just laid them down on my workbench. These are some of the best blades on the market, guys. I'm slowly upgrading them to all of my vehicles, and they are extremely nice blades, nice and flexible. And the thing that I love the most is look at this, guys. They are dual bladed. So instead of having like a generic pair, just one rubber piece all the way up it for your wiper, this one has dual blades, which is awesome. And then it also goes and gives you a nice instructions for every type of wiper blade that you guys have. And then say you have to have a different attachment, whether your vehicle has that or not, every package comes with all of the different attachments here that could go with any of these sets of blades, or there's even more styles on the back. But I believe my wife's is this one, which is the basic one, so I should not need to change out anything on these blades, guys. So we're going to jump into getting these installed. Laugh at me if you want to, because I can tear big stuff apart. When it comes to wiper blades, I sometimes suck at taking them apart. But let's jump into getting these blades swapped out real quick. And you guys can even go and look at the comparison here. Look how much beefier the scrub blades are versus the generic blades that come on these from the factory, or I don't remember if I put aftermarket ones on these since then or not. But look at the size of these blades versus these blades, guys. And then of course, as you guys can probably see, this is why I'm replacing these. And look at these. These are just a generic one blade rubber. And just look at the beefiness. Look at the difference here, guys. So here is your comparison, guys. You can see you got dual blades on this one, and then just one little dinky blade on this one. That's just, it doesn't even feel smooth. These ones feel so much smoother. These ones have texture on them to kind of help with stuff. These are just so much nicer blades. Look at the thickness of these blades, guys. Here versus here. So much even thicker blade-wise. Just the overall build of the blades feels so much nicer. These ones aren't as nice. Then you got your dual blades, as in the wiper part of your blade, and then it just even looks better. It's beefier looking, as you guys just seen in the last part of this video. Beautifully, guys. They work awesome blades. And I always say, since you're dual bladed too, they work the best when it's like torrential downpours and everything else, because it's getting just that much water off. But while you're at it here, pop the old hood here, use the old noggin. While you change your wiper blades, you might as well go ahead and change your old washer fluid while not change it, add washer fluid while you're at it, because it's something definitely in the winter time when you're going and it's raining all the time, it's snowing all the time, you're getting crap on your windshield, you're cleaning it all the time, you neglect putting stuff in it and you run out way faster and you don't mess with it until your dash light comes on. So while you're changing blades, you might as well go ahead and change, or not change, add washer fluid while you're at it, guys. Okay guys, I got the washer fluid all topped off. I emptied the rest of the bottle and she's just like floating, like you can see. She's right on the top over here. You can even see it. She is on the top. She's good to go. She is all filled up, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to install wiper blades on your Jeep, and hope you guys go out and grab you a set of these wiper blades. They run roughly about $50 a pair. They're on the higher end of your wiper blades, but they are well worth the money, guys. These blades are awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and get down there and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you learned something from it. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.